Hi, good evening. This is CA Mahima Agrawal. I'm practicing since 2017. Since the budget is here, I am here to give some insights on the broad prospects of the budgets that is going to impact our lives. Let's first identify the benefits that is being given to a personal tax or a middle class family person or a salaried person earning an income up to 12 lakhs. Yes, you heard it right. So the government has come up with this scheme or have increased the rebate facility up to 12 lakhs of your income. So any person who has their income up to 12 lakhs is going to pay no taxes. This helps the increase of in-hand money and also leads to a lot of investments and income generation for the person, individual person, as well as the economy. So, what happens with this? You are going to be taxed. The basic slab rate for the income tax is also increased from 2,50,000 to 4 lakhs, and also the slabs of 30% is going to be applicable only after your income crosses 24 lakhs. So, yes, this is the benefits in terms of slab rate for the individual taxation. There's a lot of relaxation given in terms of TDS and TCS. So how are the relaxation given? If we talk about TDS, in TDS they have increased the threshold limits of various sections. For example, for rent, the threshold has increased from 2,40,000 per annum to 6 lakhs per annum. For dividends to individuals, it was 5,000. Now it's been converted to 10,000. For interest on securities, the threshold is given for 10,000 rupees, and for interest on securities, interest other than interest on securities, it was 40,000. Now that has been increased to 50,000. For senior citizens, the same is now 1 lakh rupees. So these are the various TDS benefits that are given in relaxation TDS that is being given to all the corporates and also the people who TDS deductions applicable. Coming on TCS, they have given a lot of relaxation for TCS, wherein TCS collection on sale of goods is not to be done in school, so that is one thing that is being removed. Every transaction, whether it is a loan or whether it is an education loan or a fund transfer made to a foreign entity, was liable for TCS. Relaxations are given in terms of threshold limit on these transactions as well. There was a section where there was a penalty section that was applicable in case if the person for whom you are deducting TDS has not filed his returns, then you were liable to deduct TDS at a higher rate. However, while deducting TDS, it was very difficult to identify that the person ahead has done the compliance, and notices were received by the person who was paying TDS. So this section is also now relaxed by the government. So a lot of relaxation given in terms of TDS and TCS facilities. One additional point that has been given which is beneficial is the filing of updated returns. The government has increased the time limit wherein we can file updated returns. Now we can file updated returns up to 5 years. However, there are a lot of things attached to this. In case if you file your returns after 3 years, there's some additional taxation of about 60% that you have to pay, and in case if you do it after 4 years, there's something about 70% that you have to pay as an additional tax liability. This is all about your income, business income, or a salaried income. Now, how about the investments? So much of money saved in taxes, and we are going to invest. What happens to the income earned through these investments? So the investment is going to be the income on these investments are going to be taxed. Taxed at what rate? So almost all the long-term capital gains are now moved towards 12.5% of taxation. There was some segregation earlier of 10%, etc. But now most of the long-term capital gains, whether securitized, whether it is a real estate, whether non-securitized, is going to be considered as at 12.5%. One important point that is also to be considered while doing tax planning is ULIP, which was an exempt investment earlier, is now also being considered as a taxable segment in terms of capital gains. So these are some of the highlights that an individual will get the benefits that an individual will get with the budget that is being released. There are a lot of benefits that are given to the corporates, along with a lot of restrictions that has come up. So definitely there are benefits, but also there are a lot of restrictions that have come up for knowing more. Be in touch with us. Thank you.